Hey guys, this is Gabby from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, I will discuss the differences between QQQ and XLK. Watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better, but first, let's start with the differences. So the main difference between them is their dividend yield rates. The difference between the QQQ's and XLK's annual dividend yields is about 0.13%. XLK's dividend yield for the trailing 12 months is about 0.71%, outsmarting QQQ, which has a yield of 0.58%. However, these rates are prone to fluctuations as market forces influence them. Therefore, XLK outperforms QQQ in this category. Expense ratio: XLK has a relatively lower expense ratio compared to its QQQ counterpart, and ETF's expense ratio is a representation of its charges to its investors for services offered, usually expressed as a percentage. XLK's expense ratio stands at 0.13% of an investor's total assets, which is significantly lower than the 0.20% QQQ necessitates. The 0.07% difference between the ratios may yield huge disparities in what the EFTs charge their clients, especially for huge stock shares. Therefore, XLK is more cost-friendly than QQQ for the services each offers to its investors. Investment risk. Suitable metrics for measuring ETF's investment risk indicate that XLK has fewer risks than its QQQ peer. A comparison of the EFT's Sharpe ratios for the trailing 12 months indicates that XLK outperforms QQQ for the better part of the designated period. The higher an EFT's Sharpe ratio, the lesser its investment risks. Therefore, XLK wins in this category as it presents with slightly higher Sharpe ratios. But do they have similarities? Yes. QQQ and XLK are dividend ETFs. They offer their investors profits garnered by their shares at the end of a designated period. Also, both ETFs are passive. They are inactively managed to assume the performance of their respective indexes as much as possible. Lastly, the EFTs have experienced almost identical drawdowns throughout their existence with a slight deviation of less than 1%. To sum up, which is better, QQQ or XLK? I have invested in QQQ for the better part of 4 years since I began venturing into EFT investments. I later moved to XLK while seeking investment diversification. Based on my experience with both EFTs, I will always settle for XLK over QQQ so long as it keeps outsmarting the latter in terms of dividend yield rates, expense ratios, and investment risks, among other factors. Please note, the information compared in this video is accurate as per the making of this video and is subject to change in future. Thanks for watching!